Stratasys presents a new one-step support removal solution, WSS 150. Simply place the printed part in a vessel filled with regular tap water and wait for it to dissolve. No additional chemicals are needed. As you can see, the water-soluble support material has only dissolved from the part that was immersed in the water. For a faster removal process, place the printed part in a dishwasher. One cycle will remove all remnants of support material. L2S powder can be used for a simple solution to wastewater disposal according to your local regulations. The new support removal is suitable for thin, delicate parts and confined support that is challenging to remove manually. It's also suitable for easy removal of support from intricate and internal channels that's usually not removable with traditional support removal processes. Bulky parts with a large amount of support require exhausting manual labour during the removal process, which is no longer necessary with water-soluble support. For more information, visit our support centre or the Polyjet support materials page at stratasys.com and make it with Stratasys.